Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create your own Kahoot game. Okay, so this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Kahoot, and all you have to do is to click this very first link that will appear. Okay, tap this one, and then this is what it looks like. In order to continue, you have to click sign up. So you must have a working email address or valid email address and also a unique password. So if you have your account already, then you can click login. So you can choose from any of this here. Let's just say if you're a teacher, then you can tap teacher here. And then you have choices. So let me tap for school. Then here you can sign up using your email address, password, or you can also sign up using your Google account and other options here. So now I just have created my account. So this is what it looks like. And in order to create a game, all you have to do is to simply click or tap this create button here. By the way, these are the examples of Kahoot games created by other people. Okay, so tap create and then tap Kahoot. And then once done, then it will take you directly to this. So you can just simply close this one. And now you can start creating or typing your own question. So let's just say you want to ask 5 plus 5 equals. And actually, you can add some pictures or add a media here. All you have to do is to click this plus button and then kindly add that file or media here. So for A, you can simply type any answer here. For example, we have here 3, 5, 10, and yeah, we have here 8. So these are the sample answers. And actually, you can adjust the time limit here if you want to change it to 30 seconds. For point standard, for answer options, you can choose between the two, but let me tap this single select here. And then what you want to do next is if you want to add some questions and if you want it to be true or false, you just have to go to this area, tap add question, and then create another question again. For example, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Is it true? Is it false? So you could also add a media if you want. If you want to add picture, you could just simply tap this plus button here. Make sure you have downloaded a picture already on your PC or device. Okay, you can add even more slides here if you want. Okay, change themes and be more creative. Okay, so yes, that's it. Once done, you can just click save. But as you can see here, I forgot something. If you want to create a question, you must also tap the answer first before saving. Okay, so you must answer it first before you save it. Okay, so that's it. Also, for the other questions here, you have to answer this first before saving. So, once done, you can now create a title. You can add description, but that is optional. And then, once done, click continue. It's now validating and click done. Now, all you have to do to review this is to click start and it will take you directly to Kahoot. And there, if you share this link, then people can see this one, people can play this one. So that's how easy it is to create create your own Kahoot game. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.